Chemistry is the study of organometallic compound. Chemical compounds containing at least one chemical bond between a carbon atom of an organic molecule and a metal, including alkaline earth and transition metals, and sometimes broadened to include the metalloids like boron, silicon, and selenium as well. Aside from bonds to organelle fragments or the molecule bonds to inorganic carbons like carbon monoxide, that means metal carbonyl, cyanide or carbide, are generally considered to be the organometallic as well as the organometallic compounds such as the transition metal hydrides and metal phosphine complexes are often included in discussions of organometallic compounds. Through strictly speaking, they are not necessarily organometallic. The related but distinct term metal organic compound refers to metal containing compounds lacking direct metal carbon bonds but which contain organic ligand. Metal beta diketonates, alkyl oxides, dialkyl amides, and metal phosphine complexes are representative members of this class. The field of organometallic chemistry combines aspects of traditional inorganic and organic chemistry. Then organometallic compounds are widely used both stoichiometrically in research and industrial chemical reactions as well as in the role of catalyst to increase the rate of such reaction. For example, as in uses of a homogeneous catalysis where the target molecules include the polymers, pharmaceutical and many other type of practical product. Then the instrumental part in this chapter, then organometallic compounds are distinguished by the prefix organo. Organo, that means organopalladium compounds, and include all compounds which contain a bond between a metal atom and a carbon atom of an organyl group. In addition to the traditional metal, that means alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, transition metal and post-transition metal, lanthanides, actinides, semimetals and the element boron, silicon, arsenic and selenium are considered to form organometallic compound. Example of organometallic compound include the Gilman reagent which contain lithium and copper, and Grignard reagent which contain a magnesium, tetracarbonyl nickel, ferrocene are examples of organometallic compound containing transition metals. Other example of organometallic compound include the organolithium compound such as the N-butyl lithium, organozinc compound such as the diethyl zinc, organotene compound such as the tributyl tin hydride, organoboron compound such as the triethyl boron, and organoaluminum compound such as the trimethyl aluminium. These are some examples of the organic compounds. A naturally occurring organometallic complex is methylcobalamin, a form of vitamin B12 which contains a cobalt metal bond. This complex along the other biologically relevant complexes are often discussed within the subfield of bioorganometallic chemistry. Then representative organometallic compound, then for example is ferrocene. Ferrocene is an organoiron complex. It is an air-stable sublimable compound. Second example is cobaltocene. Cobaltocene is a structural analog of ferrocene but is highly reactive towards air. Third example is tris rhodium carbonyl hydride is used in the commercial productions of many aldehyde based in fragrance. Next is thiol salt is an example of transition metal alkene complex. Next is trimethyl aluminium is an organometallic compound with a bridging methyl group. It is used in the industrial productions of some alcohol. Next is dimethyl zinc, has a linear coordination. It is a volatile pyrophoric liquid that is used in the preparations of semiconducting films. Next is the lithium diphenyl cuprate bis diethyl etherate is an example of Gilman reagent a type of organocopper complex frequently employed in organic synthesis. Next is adenosylcobalamin is a cofactor required by the several crucial enzymatic reactions that take place in the human body. It is a rare examples of the metal alkyl in biology. Next example is the iron pentacarbonyl. Is a red-orange liquid prepared directly from the union of finely divided iron and carbon monoxide gas under pressure. Next is distinction from coordination compound with organic ligand. Many complex features of organic coordination bonds between a metal and organic ligand. Complexes where the organic ligand binds the metal to the heteroatom, such as oxygen or nitrogen, are considered coordination compound. However, if any of the ligands form a direct metal-carbon bond, then the complex is considered to be organometallic. Although the IUPAC has not formally defined the term, some chemists use the term metal organic to describe any coordination compound containing an organic ligand regardless of the presence of direct metal-carbon bond. The status of the compound in which the canonical anion has a negative charge that is shared between the carbon atom and atom more electronegative than carbon may vary with the nature of the anionic moiety, the metal ion, and possibly the medium, in the absence of the direct structural evidence of the carbon metal bond. Such a compound are not considered to be the organometallic compounds. For instance, the lithium enolates often contains only lithium oxygen bond and are not organometallic, while the zinc enolate contains both zinc oxygen bond, zinc carbon bonds are organometallic in nature. The next point is structure and properties of the organometallic compound. The metal carbon bond in organometallic compound is generally highly covalent. For highly electropositive elements such as the lithium and sodium, the carbon ligands exhibit the carbanoic character, but free carbon-based anions are extremely rare, an example being cyanide. Most organometallic compounds are solid at room temperature. However, some are liquids such as the methyl cyclopentadienyl manganese tricarbonyl or even volatile liquids such as the nickel tetracarbonyl. Many organometallic compounds are air sensitive and thus they must be handled under an inert atmosphere. Some organometallic compounds such as the triethyl aluminium are pyrophoric and will ignite on contact with air. Next, concept and technique. As in the other areas of chemistry, electron counting is useful for organizing organometallic chemistry. The 18 electron rules is helpful in predicting the stabilities of the organometallic complex. For example, metal carbonyl and metal hydride. The 18 electron rule has two representative electron counting models, ionic and neutral, is also known as covalent ligand model respectively. The hapticity of the metal ligand complex can influence the electron count. Hapticity describes the number of contiguous ligand coordinated to the metal. For example, ferrocene eta5C5H5 twice Fe has two cyclopentadienyl ligands giving a hapticity of 5, where all 5 carbon atoms of the C5H5 ligand contributes 1 electron to the iron center. Ligand that binds non-contiguous atoms are denoted the Greek letter kappa K. Chelating K2 acetate is an example. The covalent bond classification method identifies 3 classes of ligand, X, L and Z, which are based on the electron donating interaction of the ligand. Many organometallic compounds do not follow the 18 electron rule. The metal atom in organometallic compound are frequently described by their d electron count and oxidation state. This concept can be used to help predict their reactivity and Frebber geometry. Chemical bonding and reactivity in organometallic compound is often discussed from the perspective of the isolabile principle. The wide variety of the physical techniques are used to determine the structure, composition, and properties of the organometallic compound. X-ray diffraction is a particularly important technique that can locate the position of atom within a solid compound, providing a detailed description of its structure. The technique like infrared spectroscopy and nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy are also frequently used to obtain information on the structure and bonding of organometallic compound. Spectroscopy is a common technique used to obtain information on the electronic structure of organometallic compound. It is also used to monitor the progress of organometallic reaction as well as determine their kinetics. The dynamic of organometallic compound can be studied using NMR spectroscopy. Other notable technique includes X-ray absorption spectroscopy. Next is electron paramagnetic resonance spectroscopy, and last is elemental analysis. Due to their high reactivity towards the oxygen and moisture, organometallic compound often must be handled using air-free technique. Air-free handling of organometallic compounds typically requires the use of laboratory apparatus such as the glow box. Early development in organometallic chemistry include the Louis Cadet synthesis of the methyl arsenic compound related to the cacodyl William Christopher Zeiss platinum ethylene complex and Victor Grignard organomagnesium compound. Though not always acknowledged in the organometallic compound, Prussian blue is a mixed valence iron cyanide complex was first prepared in 1706 by paint maker John Disbach as the first coordination polymer and synthetic material containing a metal carbon bond. The abundant and diverse product from coal and petroleum led to the Ziegler-Natta, Fischer-Tropsch and hydroformylation catalysis, which employ the CO carbonyl group and H2 and alkenes as feedstock and ligand. The recognitions of the organometallic chemistry as a distinct subfield culminated in the Nobel Prize to Ernst Fischer and Wilkinson for work in metallocene. The next point is organometallic chemistry timeline. The 1760 Louis Claude they investigate the ink based on the cobalt salt and isolate the cacodyl from cobalt mineral containing arsenic. Then industrial applications of the organometallic compound find wide use of commercial reaction both as a homogeneous catalyst and a stoichiometric reagent. For instance, organolithium, organomagnesium and organoaluminum compound, examples of which are highly basic and highly reducing, are useful stoichiometrically but also catalyze many polarization reaction. Almost all processes involving the carbon monoxide rarely on catalyst, notable example being described in a carbonylation. The production of acetic acid from methanol and carbon monoxide is catalyzed by metal carbonyl complex in the Monsanto process and Cativa process. Most synthetic aldehyde are produced by hydroformylation. The bulk of the synthetic alcohol, at least those larger than ethanol, are produced by the hydrogenation of hydroformylation derived aldehyde. Similarly, Wacker process is used in the oxidation of ethylene to acetaldehyde. Almost all industrial processes involving the alkene derivative polymers, rarely on the organometallic catalyst. The words polyethylene and polypropylene are produced by both the heterogeneously by the Ziegler-Natta catalyst and homogeneously by the contrast geometry catalyst. Most processes involving the hydrogen rarely on the metal-based catalyst, whereas the bulk hydrogenation rarely the heterogeneous catalyst for the production of fine chemicals. Such hydrogenation rarely on soluble organometallic complexes or involve the organometallic intermediate. Organometallic complexes allow this or the hydrogenation to be effected asymmetrically. Many semiconductors are produced from the trimethyl gallium, trimethyl lindium, trimethyl aluminum, trimethyl antimony. These volatile compounds are decomposed along with ammonia arsine, phosphine, and related hydrides on heated substrate, while the metallo-organic vapor phase epitaxy process in the production of light emitting diodes. Thank you.